Welcome to Easy Peasy English. Opposite words, Part 1. Big, small. The yellow door is big, the blue door is small. Up, down. The green arrow points up. The red arrow points down. Bad and good. Clean, dirty. The ocean is clean. The ocean is dirty. Easy and difficult. Thin, fat. The goldfish is thin. The goldfish is fat. Near or close, far. The hot air balloon is near. The hot air balloon is far. Cheap, expensive. The rock is cheap. The pearls are expensive. Slow, fast. The tortoise is slow. The hare is fast. Empty, full. The cup is empty. The cup is full. Healthy, unhealthy. The vegetables are healthy. The junk food is unhealthy. Shallow, deep. The river is shallow and deep. Happy, sad. The orange face is happy. The green face is sad. Light, heavy. The feather is light. The bowling ball is heavy. Low, high. The kite is low. The kites are high. Cold, hot. Winter is cold. Summer is hot. In, out. The lemons are in the box. The lime is out of the box. Dark and light. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe. See you next time.